A luxury SUV built in a low-cost country. Can it still claim to be premium? That question feels uncomfortable for brands like Lincoln, whose image relies on craftsmanship and heritage. The new 2026 Navigator quietly exposes the truth about modern luxury. It is no longer about where it is built, but how convincingly the brand sells the story of quality to people who still want to believe in it. Take the Dacia Sandero, built in Romania and Morocco with dated Renault tech. Yet it dominates Europe's small car market because affordability now outranks prestige. When we hear made in the world no longer divides neatly between cheap and premium. Global supply chains blur the lines, forcing even proud American nameplates to rethink what made in actually means today. Buyers in Tier 1 countries still equate made in the USA, Japan, or Germany with precision and trust. But that logic is fading quietly. Many so-called domestic cars are assembled abroad, while premium badges import engines and electronics from everywhere. The illusion persists because consumers want emotional reassurance, not a factory address printed on the window sticker. When automakers shift production to Mexico, Thailand, or Eastern Europe, it is easy to scream cost-cutting. Yet behind closed doors, it is about efficiency, supply chain, agility, and survival. Global competition punishes nostalgia. Lincoln is not abandoning quality, it is chasing scalability. But can a luxury badge survive when the romance of hand-built craftsmanship fades into spreadsheets? Older tooling, lower automation, and local supplier ecosystems often lead critics to assume cheaper output. But manufacturing location does not always dictate precision or durability. The 2026 Navigator proves that with digital calibration and AI quality control, a plant in a low-cost region can outperform legacy factories still relying on manual checks. The line between economy and excellence is thinner than ever. Then comes the moral layer. Labor cost disparities, environmental audits, and national pride quickly turn production strategy into a PR minefield. A luxury brand must balance profit with perception. Too much outsourcing, and you look greedy. Too little, and shareholders panic. The Navigator's marketing dances carefully around that tension, whispering global craftsmanship instead of regional pride. In resale statistics and warranty data, the truth reveals itself. Cars built in low-cost countries can match reliability, but often suffer from bias. Not breakdowns, buyers assume resale will dip, and that fear becomes self-fulfilling. In Tier 1, market's perception drives value more than parts quality. For Lincoln, that means every rumor about factory location hits brand equity first. Made in still matters, but context matters more. Smart buyers judge by performance, reliability, and service, not the passport of assembly. The 2026 Navigator is both global and American, an expensive proof that quality now travels better than patriotism. So where do you stand? Comment with Made in Matters if you believe heritage defines trust or value. First, if real-world results do.